Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by clearing and protecting the workspace. This saves time and prevents damage. Once the area is ready, identify vinyl type by testing a small 2-square. This tells you how adhesive will react. Next, score only the seams and any bubble areas with a 0. 5 mm blade, do this lightly to avoid cutting the wall. As you lift loose edges, keep the removed strips for reference. They show pattern and adhesive behavior, which matters for later reapplication or patching. Once edges are lifted, you need to remove old adhesive while preserving the wall surface. Warm stubborn adhesive with a heat gun set between 120 degrees and 140 degrees F for short bursts. This softens glue and eases scraping. Then apply adhesive remover or a diluted TSB solution, wait a minute, and scrape with a plastic putty knife so you don't gouge drywall. After cleaning, repair any nicks or holes with joint compound. Sand smooth at 121. You finish by priming the wall with a wallpaper primer so adhesive bonds consistently. Mix and apply the vinyl-safe adhesive as directed. Use a 1/8 nap roller to spread evenly. Hang the vinyl, align the pattern carefully, and butt seams, then smooth each panel with a seam roller from center outward to expel air. If bubbles or lifting occur, stop, rewarm the spot, lift the edge slightly, and either reposition or inject adhesive behind and press. This targeted fix prevents tearing and keeps seams invisible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.